In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and schedule events in the new Outlook for the web. Whether you're in the office, remote, or somewhere in between, this walkthrough will take you from a blank calendar to a polished invite you can send with confidence. Start by opening Calendar and selecting New Event. Before you type anything, check the response options. Keep request responses turned on so attendees can accept or decline, and Outlook will track attendance for you. If you want invitees to be able to pass the invitation along, leave. Allow forwarding enabled. If you need tighter control, you can switch it off. Just remember that forwarding can be handy when someone needs to substitute or loop in a teammate. Next, choose a reminder. 15 minutes before the event works well for most meetings, giving you a buffer to wrap up your current task. For longer or more critical sessions, pick a longer lead time so no one rushes in late. This is also a great moment to add a color category, assigning consistent colors, one for team meetings, another for one-on-ones, and a different shade for deadlines, turns a busy calendar into an easy visual map. Over time, the patterns help you see where your week is packed and where you have room. Decide whether the event is public or private. Public lets people with access to your calendar see the details, while private hides them. Then select which calendar to save it to. If you manage multiple calendars, choose the right destination now to keep personal, team, and project events neatly separated. Add a clear descriptive title that tells attendees what to expect and makes it easy to find later. Invite your attendees by adding your colleagues. If you meet with the same group often, create a contact list so you can add everyone in a single click next time. Set the date and time. If it's a repeating meeting, choose the recurrence pattern, weekly, bi-weekly, or custom, and Outlook will build the series for you. If your group spans time zones, double-check the time zone setting to avoid confusion. Choose whether the meeting is in person or online. For in-person, select the office or meeting room so everyone knows where to go. For online, choose Teams meeting, and Outlook will automatically include the join link in the invitation. Add details in the description, like an agenda, any prep instructions, or relevant files. When everything looks good, click Save. Outlook creates the event and sends invitations. One final tip: when planning time off, set an automatic out-of-office reply so colleagues know you're unavailable. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials.